All right, so this week at Edison Motors, Joel from Royal puts the first bolt into his new mechanical truck. We go to deliver our first truck to a customer, and the government of Manitoba shuts us down because they're stuck with technology from 1983, so we get to watch grass grow. This is a pretty exciting moment. For the first time in Edison's history, we are sending a truck off to a customer right now. Now, there is still a fair bit of work to do, a lot more testing. We got to get the rig up, the body on, but this is the first time ever that a truck is rolling out of an Edison shop, heading off. Pretty proud of everything that the whole team's done, all the hard work that went into this. Crazy to see it's leaving this shop and it's not going to be back in it again. Hopefully. That's good. Hey, right? We're celebrating. No, none.
Let's get this big white bitch out of here on the low bed, get the new frame rails in the shop, and start building my baby. All you bitches in the shop, let's go. We're putting a truck together. We're not done yet.
We got a few people behind me there.
Traveling around the world, my people tell me where to go. I'm not afraid to step outside and see the world for what it is now. Spending all my time with people that I barely know. You may have thought that I was lost, but all I need is room and then home to put a flower in your hair. But you should know.
Honestly, should be on the piece dead.
No place I'd rather be instead.
Alright, done.
There you go.
So the truck we're building here for Joel and Royal Oilfield is our BDE cab design rigged out as a winch tractor. And we're excited to tell you that we now have our very first Edison Motors die-cast model available in our merch store, both online on our website and on location. The first 50 people that order a die-cast are gonna get a copy signed by Chace, Eric, and myself.
You're like a rock star.
If you're looking for the perfect Christmas present for an Edison Motors fan, or if you just want a collective item for yourself, go to our website, edisonmotors.ca/shop.
There we go.
Loaded, it's on. Went on a lot better than it did when I went to Vancouver. I will say that. Let's get in Manitoba and start working on my baby. so we have got the truck loaded up and we are now trucking off to Winnipeg here. Prairies are beautiful, but they sure are flat. Can't park there. Okay, so we screwed up a bit here. We got all excited to go deliver the customer truck, so we left on Saturday. Turns out Manitoba doesn't issue out of province permits on weekends. So currently we are in Moosomin, Saskatchewan, and we have the entire day here. So Gideon's nearby. He's one of the members, and we decided to go check out some cool things. What do we got to do at Moosomin?
We got the shed.
There's a shed we can go look at.
There's a field.
Oh yeah, that is a nice field.
That's about it.
The oil can.
Oh, there's an oil can too.
That's like 30 minutes away though. Okay, there's
What
an
else
oil
are we gonna
can
do?
30 minutes away.
Yeah.
Um,
That's about it.
all right. You drove 1,300 kilometers to see this old shack. What is that? What is that shit? You know?
I guess we go look at fields now.
Oh, there's a teepee. Okay, we wanted to keep going, but apparently this is a no-through road. Turn the fuck around. There's rocks. Look, there's a pile of rocks over there. Everything else is crap, but here is some rock.
The North American long-haul trucker, out of its natural habitat, usually confined to their 18-wheeled shells, these magnificent creatures have emerged for a brief, frantic moment of liberty. Notice the vibrant plumage of the truckers, the tan coat over a plaid shirt flowing in the wind. They engage in a playful ritual known as frolicking, stretching their denim-clad legs after 3,000 miles of sedentary migration. But their stamina is short-lived. Soon, the lure of fresh pub chicken will draw them back to the asphalt. But for now, in this endless sea of grass, they are free.
Congratulations, you've completed the maze. Here's your prize.
No,
A bigger rock.
there's no other way to get here. So what we decided to do, we posted a short saying we were stuck in Moosomin, and we decided we're going to do everything that the comments suggest there are to do in Moosomin. There is a grain elevator and a train. We're doing two at the same time.
You know he's autistic when he's running like this to go grab the train.
There is cool things to do in Moosomin. They said to watch the grass grow. Okay, it said to go to the Chinese restaurant that every small town has. This one was Wang's, but it burnt down.
Damn it, I want some wang.
Trying the world famous chicken at the Red Barn here. Oh, it's hot. This is wait a few seconds. It is absolutely worth the stop in. The food here is fantastic. The drinks are great. Red Barn is worth a stop. And the hideout owners actually reached out to us, so we're gonna go check these guys out. This is a teen space?
Shit, I missed that one too.
Arcades are so much better when they give you physical tickets and actual coins. None of those like card swipey things. I want the actual tickets.
Oh yeah, okay.
Still think if you rule, you're gonna beat me?
I don't know if we will.
It's still printing over here. Okay. So all of us put our tickets together and we ended up with 3,168. Gideon here got 4,400 by himself.
And I probably put in less money than all of you combined.
Yeah. All right.
Who hurt you as a child?
So we drove about a half hour north to Rocanaville to see the world's largest oil can behind me.
It's an oil can.
It's an oil can. Hey guys, great news. We finally got our permit to enter into Manitoba. And we spent the day in Moosomin. It was pretty good. We made it short. More people started coming by and hanging out. It was a good time. Turns out life's what you make it. If you're gonna sit around saying there's nothing I can do, this sucks, I'm stuck in Moosomin, I'm gonna be bored, you're probably gonna be bored. We made the most of it. We went and hung out with a bunch of people. We had a lot of fun in the town, and now we're back trucking again. On our short, we got a lot of comments asking, why are you stuck? You don't look oversized. It's not because we're oversized. It's because we needed a permit to enter a different province. Canada has a lot of provincial trade barriers. One of them is trucking. So if you're from one province, you can't enter another province without paying a lot of money to that province. Now, I guess we could have known that Manitoba was like this, but we didn't because never been to Manitoba before with a truck. But their permit system is not online. You actually have to phone in and call for a permit, and they're only open Monday to Friday. So we got this truck finished, loaded up Friday night. We were trucking Saturday, and that's when we found out. Too late, we're already stuck at the border. But this is just one of those things that doesn't need to exist in Canada. Why does a truck from one province have to pay an extra couple $100s to enter another province? All it does is cause like stuff like this, where trucks have to park, trucks have to wait, trucks have to spend out extra money. And guess what? It just gets passed on to the trucker. The trucker passes it on to the company, passes it on to the community and the customer. Like, if there's groceries coming, those groceries have extra fees, the mail, whatever is being carried on the truck is just getting passed on to the consumer. It's needless, it slows down our economy, and these interprovincial trade barriers are so goddamn frustrating. We should be coming together as a country right now, getting rid of the goddamn red tape, and allowing our economy to do things our economy needs. It shouldn't matter if one person's in one province, one person's in another province. We're all still Canadian. This is a Canadian truck with Canadian registration driven by Canadian drivers. I shouldn't have to pay an extra couple $100s to drive within my own country just as a form of a tax. Anyways, that's my rant. I think it's dumb. I think we should get rid of trade barriers, but at least we are on our way to Winnipeg. Bye.
Right.
So that is the rig up spot right there. We have made it to Winnipeg. We're gonna pull off the road, get this truck unloaded. We'll go meet with them, see where they want it, see where we should put it. How long is the rig up gonna take? What do we gotta do? I gotta show them how to operate the truck, go over safe work procedures for high voltage, get them all those documents. And then I gotta figure out a plan of when are we gonna be back here to commission the project, because we gotta hook up the high voltage lines to some of the equipment. We got to work with them to figure it out, and we still have some things to install on the truck that we need to have their body on first so that we can install their parts and work with them. So it's going to be a work in progress, but at least we are here and about to drop it off. So we have made it here. Time to unload. We're going to get this truck into that shop there, Still aren't telling you what it is. We can't until it's done, but here we go.
We're there.
Got the truck here, and it drives for about 30 seconds, and then it shuts off. And then it works for 30 seconds, and then it shuts off. And you turn it back on, and it works for 30 seconds. So I'm just going in here to see what's wrong. Might be a voltage issue. I want to turn the truck on, see if the voltage drops, but I'm not sure. It rattled for 3 days on a low bed, went through a snowstorm, a huge rainstorm, ton of wind, had a bunch of people crawling all over it. Something is weird. Like, it works for basically 2 weeks without any faults. Drive and drive and drive. But then you get it to the rig up place and it shuts off. So that's annoying. Prototypes. Because I still can't show where it is, I'm gonna film it right in front of the truck because I can't show anything else that's in this shop. But it feels exciting. This is our very first truck dropped off to a customer. It's got a few issues, got a few things to still work on it. A lot of work to be done. But it is now at the rig up place, ready for them to put the body on, do everything over the next month, and we're gonna send a couple mechanics, a couple technicians, and we're gonna work hand in hand to do this rig up, and then goes from there to more testing. But at least we got it dropped off. It's a huge moment for Edison, and I'm really proud to get it here.